Now we're back to learning Illustrator in a year, day 182. We go back to the pen tool and I'll show you the next trick. In the last video I've shown you get rid of the fill color right here when you want to trace an outline. And I've also shown you can left click and then left click drag to create curves. But you can see this is already a little bit tedious when you have to do that for every curve. There's a simpler way, a faster way, I think also a more intuitive way. Let me just create this fantasy shape right here. This would be with curves, so left clicking gives you straight lines, left clicking and dragging curves. Let me create another one, this time only straight lines. And now switch to the anchor point tool. Shift+C is the shortcut for it. If you hover over lines, you can actually left click and drag them to turn them into curved lines. And that's the principle that I usually use when I trace outlines. So here, for example, I use the pen and I just treat this area right here as it were straight. So I completely neglect the curve for now at least. And that's what I do for the entire thing. So just like we did in the last video, simply left click. And whenever there's a curve this time, also left click and leave a little bit of a gap. You can find the image in the video description. Just follow the link, you can download it there. So if you want to practice using the same image. Once we've arrived at the start, close your shape. And this would be the first, you could say, step. And the second step is now to use the anchor point tool, hover over the lines where there should be curves and simply left click drag. And this is how easy you can turn these straight lines into curved lines. And once more, I think that's easier to do. That's more intuitive than using this left click drag method on the pen tool directly. You can also see these handles, these bluish helper lines. And if you left click drag on them, you can adjust the angle of your curve. You can do that in both directions. So sometimes I have to create a curve to the outside, sometimes to the inside. That's not an issue here. So this would be the second step. Just go over your outline again. This time add the curves. Once we've got it, let me give that a greenish fill once more. And you can see how easy we could trace this outline here. So always use the pen tool first, then activate the anchor point tool. You may have to zoom a little bit in and then left click drag on these straight lines to turn them into curves. Good idea for you to practice. Once again, you'll find the image here in the video description. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.